now, guys, we are learning how to do transitions in Google Slides. So it's kind of like animation, but watch. So if you want this to appear from black screen, and then this will appear, you click on transition right here. You can pick dissolve or fade. Fade, you can turn it to any part you'd like. This is how you do it. And it's really cool. And you could also do it like this. Right after that, and then it goes to the next slide. So if we do slideshow, voila. For some reason this part doesn't work, I don't know why. But anyway, I would suggest doing a slide inserting there. Now let's try. There's a bird. That goes to white again. That's what transitions are, and you could use a bunch of them. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.